topic is IPR ecosystem and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Yeah. Here I would like to give emphasis on the various initiatives Ministry of Commerce and Industry and the Department of DPIIT has taken to encourage the stakeholders. First and the foremost is the scheme for startups. It's called SIPP scheme, which is nothing but Startup Intellectual Property Protection Scheme. You all know the extent the startups in our country has grown. In order to encourage the startups to come forward to make use of the intellectual property rights, this scheme has been introduced. The highlight of this scheme, the startups who are involved in the activities, who are coming up with the innovative products and process and willing to protect their innovations through IP rights are welcome and then make use of this scheme. Under this scheme, we have enlisted patent facilitators. These patent facilitators are qualified patent agents who have come forward to enlist themselves as facilitators. With the help of the facilitators, the startups can file patent applications with the patent office. The facilitators will help them prepare the documentation, guide them filing of the application, road process, and help the startups to secure a patent. The cost incurred by the facilitators in giving consultation to the startups is borne by Government of India. The startups need not pay any fee to the patent facilitators. The entire fee is borne by Government of India. The Government of India offers around 25,000 various stages during the patent process to the patent facilitators. The startups are required to pay only the government official fees. This is one wonderful opportunity for the startups. They can make use of the expertise of the facilitators in filing their patent applications. It has gained very much attraction among the startups and is being very well used by the startups in our country. Next is about introduction of expedited examination fast track system. Normally, for a patent application to be processed and to get a patent grant based on the statutory timelines, it will take 2 to 3 years time. But government has come up with this idea of introduction of expedited examination, which has incorporated into our act, mainly to help the startups and small entities and other category of patent applicants so that they can get the benefit of their patent right at the earliest possible time. So this system of fast track examination has been introduced. The applicants, the patent applicants coming forward to file patent application, the applicants who are making or who are using India's International Search Authority for their international application are eligible for this fast track examination. Especially startups who are filing patent applications can use this fast track examination process. Small entities, they also become eligible to use this fast track examination process. More importantly, natural persons. This will be mostly applicable to academicians who are involved into research activities, either to secure their degrees or in terms of helping industries to come out with the solutions for the industrial problems. So such natural persons, academicians, when among the group of natural persons who are coming forward to apply for patents, if there is one female person available, then the joint applicants become eligible for using this fast track examination. The other category of applicants includes Department of Government research institution of the government, government company under the Companies Act, and an institution which is wholly or substantially financed by the government, and the applicants who are making use of the PPH. So I'm not getting into the details of the various categories, but more specifically, I would like to give an emphasis about the fast track examination facility can be made use by the startups, small entity, and natural persons, academicians, who are playing a major role in this IPR ecosystem. Now, one more notable development in the Patent Act and rules is the revision of fee structure. The Government of India has taken a stand to simplify the fees schedule of patent applications, and they have brought educational institutions, irrespective of their status, meaning whether they belong to government institutions or private institutions, irrespective of that, all the education institutions have been brought under the natural person fee category. So, the educational institutions previously, they were paying around 8,800 rupees as application fees, and it has drastically been reduced to 1,750 rupees. This opportunity is being utilized by educational institutions widely, and we could see a lot of institutions coming forward to file the patent applications, emanating from the innovations emanating from their institutions. In a way, the burden, the financial burden on the educational institutions greatly reduced. Basically, to encourage institutions to come forward for patent filing, because we have seen a lot of research work, research papers are being published in journals. Surprised to understand, not all the publications are being converted into patent applications. So we always encourage institutions to come forward to protect their legal rights under the patent system. The legal rights, what they will acquire, will not only give them the pride of a patent holder, but also give them the commercial benefit, and it will lead to the success of self-reliant India. Coming to the development of our office, the infrastructure in our office has greatly improved. We have introduced several automation in our system. One such thing is comprehensive e-filing, which has been introduced some years back, and it is a great success, and almost around 95% of the applications are being filed through e-filing module without any issues. Automatic file allotment system has been introduced, wherein which once patent applications are filed, they are segregated subject-wise, and they are being automatically allotted by the system across the country for examination purpose. And the examination by the officers are being done through online mode. Completely paperless process has been introduced. All the process, different stages of examination is being done through online mode. Then we have introduced video conferencing facility, which is again a great success. Previous years, there used to be a system of hearing. Whenever a hearing notice has been issued, the applicants are required to appear before the officer to present their arguments. Physically, they have to appear before the officer to present their arguments. But now, sitting in their own place, own office, at home, the applicants can address to the queries of the officers through video conferencing facility. No need to travel to office. So this video conferencing facility has helped greatly reduce the burden on the applicants. One more system that has been introduced is dynamic online status of applications. In our website, there is a facility provided through which you can always, anytime, 24/7, you can check the online status of the applications, which has greatly increased the transparency in handling the applications. Another one more facility is giving SMS alerts to the applicants. Once the publication happens, get an SMS alert. Once applications are getting filed, get an SMS alert. There is an app also being introduced, which the applicants may make use of it to check the process. Finally, in order to give a thrust to the IPR ecosystem in our country, our Honorable Minister for Commerce and Industry has come up with this mission, which is called National Intellectual Property Awareness Mission, NIPAM. This has been introduced by him last August, and it has effectively started from December. The idea behind this mission is to create IP literacy among 1 million students. Why to students? Students are the future of this country. So to create IP literacy among students is going to give a definite thrust to the IPR ecosystem in our country. So this mission has been introduced by the Honorable Minister. Since beginning, the momentum of the mission is appreciable, and we were able to achieve the mission. We have also introduced training of trainers, wherein identifying trainers in institutions, give them the training on IP, so that they will spread the message, they will spread the awareness of IP among their own community. In view of Azadi ka 75 years of independence celebration, Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav, we have engaged 75 officers in this mission. With their support and hard work, we are able to accomplish this mission. Before I conclude, I would like to mention the pandemic has reminded us about looking for opportunities in crisis. I sincerely believe that the IP community will effectively use the system and take it forward for a successful, self-reliant India. Best wishes to all, and thank you.